It can be difficult, but it's been very civil of recognizing the importance of keeping kids in school.
Thousands of Central Indiana students will learn from home the rest of the week due to COVID-related staffing issues in multiple school districts. Tonight, WRTV's Adam Schumes introduces us to one of the people who helps guide school districts throughout the pandemic, plus one mother who says her kids need to be in school now more than ever.
I know my senior has been struggling with it. This all started her sophomore year. She's lost sports, times with friends.
Stephanie Willige has two children in the Wayne Township School District. Her youngest, an 8th grader, went to school on Thursday, while her oldest, a senior at Ben Davis High School, attended class online.
Both of my kids are visual and kinesthetic learners, so they need to be there to get the information. And so it's hard for them to find the motivation to just try to learn it on their own.
Stephanie says the constant back and forth between in-person learning and online learning has not just impacted her children's academics.
I'm more worried about them mentally and emotionally because they just have no social life. They have nothing. They're just stuck by themselves trying to learn math and foreign languages on their own.
The complicated question remains, how do public health officials guide schools during this time of uncertainty?
I think that a child's education is very, very important. And not only that, but the structure that school provides.
Madison Weintraut works with the Marion County Public Health Department. She serves as a liaison to help filter the information from federal officials to schools and their nurses in Marion County.
There are two things with Omicron that we can do as a community, and that's mask up and make sure that you are up to date on your vaccination.
Some factors public health officials consider when guiding a school district are cases detected at schools interconnected within a family and what precautions are already in place.
Is there buy-in from the families, from the staff, from the students into those precautions?
That includes mask requirements and whether students are sitting 3 or 6 feet apart in the classroom.
I think it's good for students to be able to have that face-to-face interaction with their teacher, to be able, for teachers to be able to corral their students and make sure that attention's being held.
As Stephanie continues to guide her children through the pandemic.
My youngest has already been diagnosed with depression and anxiety, and this is just exacerbating it because she can't do anything.
Her hope is that there is a light at the end of the tunnel.
But as a parent, I want my babies to be able to have social experiences.
Working for you, Adam Schumes, WRTV.
Weintraut says Dr. Kane with the Marion County Public Health Department or district superintendents make the final decision when it comes to COVID precautions for schools. You can find an updated list of schools and districts that have announced e-learning days at WRTV.com.